I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so what we got? We got the Hyphonics 4x6 coax speakers. We are going to install them in the front. I was trying to find the other speaker that we had in the other car, but I couldn't find them. But these priced pretty cheap. 4x6 coax. It says power handling RMS is 40 watts, a 4 ohm, 250 watts max. So definitely enough room to, I guess, grow. This is the 4x6s that I had before, which is 30 watts, and then 210 four-way speaker from Pioneer, which I like Pioneer. I just didn't see the same speakers for as cheap, because right now it's cool, but I mean, you never know. I could turn my head, blink my eyes, and then be like, you know what? I'm finna upgrade and put an amp or something. I know we were looking at an amp to go behind there anyway, so that radio has the ability to have like an amp that can be installed right behind the radio. So I don't know if y'all remember that when we did the install video, but yeah. So something slight. We'll go ahead and get the dash pulled off so we can pull the old speakers and put the new speakers in. Fairly simple, straight up install. Like I said, they just right here on the dash. So let's get it. All right, so we got the dash portion off. Looks like the easiest way to get here is there's a screw right here, a screw right here, and it's one screw right there. We should make it to where you're able to get the bracket out, because the 4 screws that actually hold, I mean, you may be able to get something in there on those screws, but I think it'll definitely be easier to just do the 3, pull the bracket out. I'm gonna see what I can find. I'm gonna see what I can find first, and then I'll let you know which way I feel is easier. I really feel like the bracket gonna be the easy way. All right, so we took a 7mm, 1/4 inch. We got up in there 3 screws, bump, bump, bump. Now we can tap into these wires for our speaker. All right, so there's the bracket. Definitely much easier to just get them 3 screws versus trying to get in there that close to the dash and getting them other ones. So the old speaker get tossed. Once again, that AC Delco OG 8889. So it's old. 10 ohm. 10 ohm is crazy, dog. 10 ohm is crazy. So with 4 ohm all the way around, man, it's gonna be an upgrade all the way. Please believe me. So already, as you can see, between the stock speaker and the aftermarket speaker side by side, the magnet is definitely larger. It's also a component speaker, so I got the tweeter up there as well, so that's gonna give us more sound. Also, like I said, it being 4 ohm, that's gonna benefit anyway as well. So all 4 of those factors are in our benefit. So shout out to that. So yeah, let me get everything tapped and wired, and You know, what I've been doing is using these T-taps. Use these T-taps that I got off of eBay. I tap into the regular wires and then connect those to the actual wires that come with the speakers, and we can go directly to the terminals on the speaker and be good to go. All right, so I always love the opportunity to be able to show y'all these jump boxes in action. Something was going on here. The car is not having enough power to turn over. I took the little Frankenstein switch off because I didn't know if that was contributing to the problem. Hadn't been in the past, but that's around to find out. So right now, as you can see, there's not enough to start the car. Look like, or even turn on the radio at this point. So we're gonna take our jump box here. I think this one came from a TikTok shop or somewhere. I got so many at this point. It's crazy. Crazy. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn this bad boy on. I had it in my bike, but I got so many now I can just put one in each vehicle. So we're gonna go positive, and we're gonna go negative. Let's say we can start. Green light. Open up the garage so we don't get whatever carbon poisoning or whatever. Check brake. I think it's just a connection, honestly. There ain't no way that battery went that dead that fast. It ain't saying nothing though. Let me see something else. Alright, so I got the jump box on there. Good connection. All the votes. 13 something. We can start that bad boy up. Out that jump box.